Good morning, students. Now let us continue the Indian Democracy chapter 12. Today we are going to discuss the public opinion in democracy. You know that India is the largest democratic country, and candidate who wins the election that represent the people means become the prime minister or chief minister, right? In representative system, the ruling party would like to resign and retain its power. जो उस वक्त की रूलिंग पार्टी है उसको अपनी जगह से पद छोड़ना पड़ता है, मीन्स रिजाइन करना पड़ता है और अपना पावर जो भी है उसके हाथ में जो भी पावर है वो सौंप देना पड़ता है उसको न्यू पार्टी को. To regain and retain its power, it becomes essential for the political parties to connect with the people. To maintain and run the government, it becomes essential to consider public opinions and thoughts for framing policies or for various questions pertaining to many problems. Public opinion is highly essential for political parties, representatives and organizations. Collective public opinion is extremely important in democracy. Strong and organized public opinion is very important in democracy. Malfunctioning of government can be presented through public opinion. अगर गवर्नमेंट गलत कुछ तरीके से चल रही है तो पब्लिक अगर जागरूक होगी तो उसको तुरंत आगाह कर देगी, राइट? Public opinion help in creating such a condition where the government cannot afford to misuse, misrule, neglect the country. Alert the intelligent public that keeps itself informed cannot be misled by the government. Various mediums in modern times have proved to be very important in creating public opinion. Let us know information about these medium. Now there are two media, print media and electronic media. Print means magazines, newspapers, periodicals, like that. These are called print media. Then electronic means television, cinema, radio, all these internet. Today now, you know, the Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, all these are included in it. So first of all we discuss about the print media. Today's world, newspaper, periodicals and journals hold utmost importance in facilitating people to know more about incidences, events and situations taking place nationally as well as internationally. Print media helps people to evaluate their opinions either in favor or against the information presented by them. The same information presented by the print media can create the multiple viewpoint in the people. People give different individual responses to the same information and develop individually diverse opinion. It is essential that the opinions created are true, firm and unbiased. If the print media presents the biased or false details, then it is possible to create a false public opinion. It is absolutely essential to have freedom of press. Press को आज़ादी है, कुछ भी छाप सकते हैं, right? So that the false public opinion is not created by presenting only achievements of government and thereby hiding the faults, failures or shortcomings of government. Ours is the diverse nation in terms of language, culture and regional varieties. The regional newspapers are much sought after the corresponding region. Regional means वहाँ के local paper, जैसे अपने गुजरात में गुजराती papers, right? महाराष्ट्र में मराठी papers. These are called local, means regional newspapers. Regional newspapers then have an immense contribution in cultivating public opinion. Print media has failed in cultivating public opinion in countries and regions having less literacy rate. जहाँ लोग ज़्यादा अनपढ़ हैं, पढ़े लिखे कम हैं, वहाँ प्रिंट मीडिया को कम इम्पोर्टेंस दिया जाता है. In spite of this, various organizations, industrial groups, political parties publish their own dailies or periodicals owing to the influence exerted by printed material. The government also publishes various periodicals and issues providing important information. So here print media is over. Tomorrow we shall complete the electronic media. Okay.